Okay, so we are going to copy our login action method, which is the HTTP post. So you can come here and copy this action method. You come here and paste it here. Yeah, so come here, you paste it here, log out, no, log, so you paste it here. So automatically, this will take two parameters, which is the username and the password. So this one is going to check the user that is logging in, going to check both the password and the username if they align with what is in the database. So once they align, yes, it will move further to this one. Check if the user is equals to null. If it's null, please tell me invalid username or password. But if it's not null, please log me into the home controller in the index action methods. So let's go for that. So let's save. So what next do we need to do? Let's go. So we need to create our logout action method. So you can copy and what? And you paste. So we have three action methods here. The logout, the login HTTP post, and the other login HTTP get. So what next now? So now we're asked to create our home controller. So currently the solution file already created an home controller. So what we need to do is just to edit what is inside here. So what do we need to do? First of all, we have to copy this private read only application db context, and you come here and you paste it. Yeah, so once we are done now, so now let's try to edit the index action method. So you have to copy everything here because we already have the method. You just have to update this one. So come here and paste it here. So now we have inserted what? The index action method for the home controller. So this one will automatically show you the the dashboard, and to show you, let's see, the login and the accounts. So you can see this is an account controller and this is a login view. That's why we are told the application, please redirect me to the login view on the what? Account controller. So you can see this view bag dot product. So this will now count the number of products, check the stock, check the sales dot count, and also check the date, the sale date, and return back to view. So what next do we need to do? I think that is all. So what next we need to do? We have to clear all this one because we don't need it. So once you are done with it, so you can save your work. So what's next now? So we are asked to create our product controller. So we have created our account controller. We have created our home controller. Now let's create our product controller. So the same way we did here. So come here, come to this controller, click on add controller and name the controller product controller. So you can come here and just replace it, product controller. Oh, sorry, I forgot to change this. It's supposed to be, let me remove this one. Okay, so now we are done. So what do we need to do here now? Please, we need to bring our private read-only application db context. Come here, come to this place, and you paste it. Okay, so what do we need to do now? So our index, our actual index, we have to copy this one and paste it here. So these are index, so we don't need to just edit this one and paste it. So let's see. Okay, so I'm just trying to arrange this one so that it will be easy for you to read. Okay, now, so this is the index for the products. So this will check if the user is equals to null. If it's equals to null, please redirect the user to the login for him to log in into the account. So the user must log in for him to see the product view, which is the index. So what next now? We need to copy this action method for create. This is Is it a get? Yes, so it's a get. So this will now display the view for create when you are creating a product. So you can just give it HTTP post or HTTP get, or you leave it. So now make sure you save your work. So what next we need to do? We need to have our HTTP post for create. So this will serve as our form method for create. So you can come here, you can save it. So now we have HTTP get for create and we have HTTP post for create. So this will give us the view and this will submit the form with what? The parameters. Sorry, with the parameters, products. So you can see this product is the what? The model or the table. So what next? So let's go and get this edit action view. So you can come here, paste it here. So this is an edit action view. You can put your HTTP get if you want, but you can leave it. So let's put our HTTP post. Let's copy the edit for our HTTP post. So you can come here and paste it. So this is our edit action for the form. For if a user wants to edit a product and click on submit, so it will hit this edit HTTP post. But if the user click on edit form to open, it will hit this edit action method, which is HTTP get. So let me put it so that it doesn't get you confused. So we are done with this now. So what's next? So what next is to do our delete action method. So it's a public action delete. So copy, yeah. So come here and paste it. So this will delete the product to remove the product, and it will save changes, and after saving changes it will redirect the person to what? The index, which is inside what? The products. Index of the products. Index of the products. So what next now? So let's go further. We need to create now our sales controller. So let's go further. Come to this controller, click on add, click on controller, leave it at empty, then come here and save it as sales controller. So make sure you remove this one because we don't need it, and add. So you automatically add your controller. So we need what? Let's see, private read only. So you copy this, you paste it here, you save your work. Ensure you always save your work. It's very important. Make sure you save your work. So this index action HTTP get. So since we have the action method there, you can just copy this and paste it directly inside here. So automatically you check if the user is equals to null, redirect me to the login view in the account controller. But if it's not equals to null, please get the sales for me, order by descending, and list it out for me. So that's what this stuff means. Then after then, return me back to the sales view. So let's save. So once you save, you go back here. What do we need here? We need to have our create action HTTP get method for sales. So come here, you paste it here. So this will be our HTTP get. Yeah. So now we need to have our HTTP post for create. So we have to copy everything here. Please follow me. Copy everything here. Let's see where it stops. Okay, so it will stop here. So copy, come down here and paste it. So this is our HTTP post for what? For create sales. So this is for create sales. So this one is for to get the sales, that is to get the form for the create sales. So this one will now submit the form if you want to record the sales. So this automatically record the sales. Product not found, you can see, to check for if the product is null. If product is null, you check product not found. If not, please check my stock. If it's greater than what? 0, and list my stock, my product out. Then return the view to check if the quantity is less than 0. If it's less than 0, if the quantity is less, is it less than, yeah, if the quantity is less than 0, please, quantity must be greater than 0. Then you can see here, checking if the quantity is greater than product.stock. It will tell you not enough stock available. Return me back to the view. So this is for amount paid is not enough. So now we are done with this one. So what next? Now let's now start creating our view. We have created all the controller, the product controller, the account controller, the sales controller, the home controller, and we have created the models, which is the products, the models for the products, and the models for the sales, models for, yes, users and sales. So now let's go and start creating our view. Our first view we need to create is a login view. So come here, copy this login, come to this place. You can see the folder is under account folder. So come to view. Is there view? Yes, there is view, but is there account controller? Account folder? No. So come here, you add the name of the folder is what? Account. And inside the account, you're going to create a view. So come here and add view. Leave it at empty. You add and you save this as what? Login view, and you save. Once you save, please make sure you delete this one and you copy everything that is here. So come here and paste it here. So you save your work. So now we have our what? This is our login view. So what next do we need to do? Let's see the view we need to create. We need to create our views, our index view for our home controller. So the same way we did there, let's see if we have our index view. So let's see, under view we have home controller. Yes, we did. So just open this one, clear this one off because we don't need it. Come back here and copy this code. Once you copy this code, make sure you paste it here and make sure you save your work. So what next? We are done with the home controller, the index view for the home controller. Let's go and create the index view for the product controller. So come here, this is for the index under products folder. So come here, come to views, there is no product folder. Copy this one, you add the new folder, name the folder products, capital letter. Save. Under the products, create a view and name the view what? Index. Then you add and you make sure you delete this one because we don't need it. So you copy this one, come here and you paste it. So now we have our products index view. Okay, so what next now? So let's go further. Let's do our create view inside our products controller. So come here. So this will now display the form. So inside the product folder, add view. Name of the view is what? Create. And what? Save. Copy, delete this and copy everything that we have here. And what? Paste it here. So now we have our words, but there is an error. The error is coming from here. So just make sure you change this one to what we have here, which is NonnyPOS app, and the error disappear finally. So we have our create view. So this will now display our form when the user is now creating a product, or when the user is creating a product or adding a product. So we are done with this. So what next now we need to do? We need to create our edit view. So come here, the same way is inside the product folder, add view, add then the name. See how it's very simple. Clear this one and make sure, let's copy this one and paste it here. Save your work. To throw an error, the error should be coming from here. Make sure it's aligned